Welcome to XMPro Agentic Operations for Industrial Enterprises. In this video, you'll see how industrial companies can safely scale autonomous operations across critical physical assets. Autonomy in industry is about making decisions like your best subject matter experts, but at machine speed, 24/7. And it elevates those experts to supervisors, where they guide intent, shape priorities, and govern outcomes. With Agentic Operations, AI agents collaborate, reason, negotiate, and act within governance boundaries. And in industrial reality, autonomy must remain transparent, explainable, reliable, and safe, which XMPro delivers through Supervisory Intelligence. Let's see this in action. Here we're observing an autonomous haul truck. An engine health anomaly is detected early before it becomes a failure, and agents immediately coordinate a response at machine speed. Notice how this view doesn't just notify operators of the anomaly, but exactly what AI agents are doing about it in real time. We start by opening the root cause analysis agent. This gives supervisors the reasoning behind the detection. Now we open the causal analytics view, revealing the evidence chain behind that reasoning, instead of just a surface alert. Next, we move into team communication, where multi-agent collaboration becomes visible. Agents propose actions, challenge trade-offs, and align through structured consensus, not opaque automation. This keeps autonomy governed, auditable, and aligned with operational objectives, while preserving trust, transparency, and control. And this same pattern applies across any industrial domain, not just haul trucks. Next, let's enter the agent chat room. Supervisors engage with AI teams just like they would with colleagues online, asking clarifying questions, confirming constraints, and shaping intent without micromanaging the steps. Here, the supervisor confirms the preferred maintenance window. Once acknowledged, the agents finalize the plan and execute autonomously, with every decision recorded for audit, learning, and continuous improvement. This is the repeatable pattern enterprises need to scale autonomous operations safely, explainably, and consistently across fleets, factories, networks, processing plants, and beyond. Agentic Operations isn't just the future, it's how autonomy becomes operational reality today. This is Agentic Operations. This is XMPro.